Welcome to the channel Go Gaurav. Here in this video I am going to unbox and review the Logitech MK270 wireless keyboard and the Logitech M185 wireless mouse. If you are looking for the wireless keyboard and not sure what kind of keyboard is suitable for you, please continue watching this video. I will give detailed information about this device and also let you know optional Logitech keyboard which might be suitable for you. Now let's start unboxing. You need to open this box on both corners, left and right. On one side you can get the Logitech MK270 wireless keyboard wrapped beautifully with the thin plastic, and here on the other hand you can get M185 wireless mouse and the nano receiver which works for the both of these devices. This is an affordable keyboard you can buy in the market. I have bought this keyboard and mouse in a combo for which I paid around $30. This keyboard comes in full size layout with the numeric keypad on the right. This is in Spanish layout, but you can choose in different layout according to your country. These are the durable UV coated keys to protect fading the letters even after long use. The button edge of this keyboard is curved to give you better access for the typing. It has 8 dedicated shortcut keys on the top. Also it has PC off button to turn off PC without going to start menu on the Windows. These 8 keys are: from the right, the first one is calculator and the PC off button. The third is mail button to open mail client. The fourth is home key which takes you to your home screen in your web browser, and these two volume up and down button. The seventh is mute button to mute song or YouTube videos, and the final is play and pause button that works to play and pause media, and that even works to play and pause YouTube videos. These hotkeys saves tons of time that you lose going through the Windows interface. And another cool feature of this keyboard is when you press caps lock, the light glows to let you know the caps lock is on or off. If the light is on, the caps lock is on, and if the light is off, then you can see the caps lock off. On the right, there's a power on and off switch. With this switch, you can turn keyboard off. This is useful when you are not using keyboard for a long time. There are exciting features on the back of this keyboard. This keyboard is powered by 2 AAA size battery which last around 3 years. This is the circuit separator. After you remove this little tip, the keyboard starts getting power from these 2 AAA batteries. The battery included here you cannot buy outside. After you finish the battery, you can buy different brands. The K270 has a spill resistant feature. Here probably the best things you will see: these tiny holes. Through these small holes, water drains out without touching vital components of the keyboard, which could damage internal circuit. Like this, there are 4 holes on this MK270 keyboard. The keyboard is spill resistant, but unfortunately you cannot try this at home because the company doesn't give a warranty if you damage the keyboard with water, because of it's not the spill proof keyboard. But in case if you accidentally spill water, this tiny hole can save the device from damage. Here are 2 8-degree stands to give you ergonomic typing experience. With these stands on, you can type better than the flat position. Here the mouse which came in the bundle. This mouse is M185, which is the best mouse I have ever used. I am using my old M185 wireless mouse since 5 years, and that is still working without any lag. This mouse battery also lasts long. There are mainly 2 keys to click right and left, and scroll buttons on this mouse. Both mouse and keyboard works with this tiny Logitech nano receiver, and you can use the keyboard and mouse from up to 10 meters distance. Here are the best features of this MK270 keyboard. It has around up to 36 months of battery life, and another is its wireless capability, which is up to 10 meters or 33 feet. It has 3 years limited hardware warranty, and the last is spill resistant features. And here are some features you may not like. This keyboard doesn't have a keypad for scroll or pins. In that case, you can choose Logitech K400 Plus, which has full keys layout with a built-in trackpad that is similar to your laptop's trackpad. And another disadvantage of this keyboard may be when you are typing, it produces noise, which might not be suitable if you are looking for a silent keyboard. And this keyboard should have some lock button, because if you are using it lying in your bed, you can accidentally press many buttons which might turn off your PC. And finally, my opinion about this keyboard is positive. If I have to give a rating from 0 to 10, I give 8 because of its affordable price tag and ergonomic design. And finally, thank you for your precious time. This is my review of Logitech K270 keyboard. If you have any queries about this keyboard, please comment below.